Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Happy New Year! Today is January 5th, 2014. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is in the uptrend. The big sellers did not come up at the beginning of the year. The financial sector stocks are very strong. That's a very encouraging sign. Financial sector usually lead the general market. My plan, I did not sell off the long positions at the beginning of last year. That's because there's a lack of a climax top at the beginning of the last year, as well as there's a lack of a general weakness. I felt the market is gonna be continue. This new year will be a continuation of last year's uptrend. Therefore, I didn't sell a lot of stocks. My plan is continue hold on to the strong stocks. At the same time, I closely watch the stocks that's being bought by institutions at the beginning of the new year, because those stocks are likely to do very well for the rest of the year. The big institutions usually like to do their annual shopping at the beginning of the year, and then they are the ones likely to hold on to those stocks for the rest of the year. So in the new year, the strong stocks deserve our attention. I will sell the weak stocks and use the fund to buy the new stocks, and that's being accumulated by the institution. I will show you those watch list. Let's take a look at market index and their chart. German DAX index had a breakdown here, and that's a pullback. That's not very encouraging. However, it's still in the uptrend. The Shanghai stock index is back to the downtrend again. It's making lower highs and lower lows. And Nasdaq is continue to be in the uptrend. However, it had a couple of distribution days. This is a distribution day. We need to keep a close eye on it. Mid cap is in the uptrend. Small cap uptrend. SP 500 large cap is in the uptrend, and also had a couple of days of distribution. There's a high volume selling, but the volume in general is kind of low. It's lower than the average volume, so I wouldn't worry about this. Gold price rebounded from the downtrend. However, it's still in the downtrend. And we have to see whether gold can reverse the downtrend for this year. Last year, it was a very big downtrend, but we don't know. Right now, it's still in a downtrend. Silver stock in a downtrend. Gold mining stock index in a downtrend as well. However, it looks like it may be making a base here. We don't know yet. It's too early to tell right now. We just have to wait and see whether it can revert back above 50-day moving average. If it cannot, then it will remain in a downtrend. If it does, then it will be a reversal. Right now, it just don't know. US dollar is in a downtrend, but it rebounded. So again, and we have to see whether it will have a reversal. Crude oil definitely in a downtrend. It dropped. This is a short-term rebound, and it just break down again. So crude oil is in a downtrend. U.S. Real estate stock index ETF downtrend, but it's making a base right now. Real estate bond fund price is in a downtrend. That's a good news. That means real estate mortgage interest is going, it's going up. So it's not a good news. This is a mortgage bond fund is going down. The interest rate is going up. That's bad for the stock, for the housing market, for the U.S. housing market. Semiconductor ETF is in the uptrend, pull back a little bit. Energy ETF uptrend, pull back a little. Financial ETF, XLF, this is a very important ETF, the sector to watch. Financial sector usually lead the market. XLF is in a very strong uptrend, and it didn't pull back at all, it just keep going up. That is very encouraging for the general market. I'd like to share with you two lists. One list is my current holdings. Those are stocks that I have already bought and that I'm currently hold on to them. Those are the strong stocks that has a very strong earning growth and strong chart pattern. I have stop order in place. If those stocks drop below my stop price and my position will be automatically closed, I will sell it. That's the first list. Second list are my New Year's watch list. Those are stocks that might be accumulated by institution. I'm watching them, and they have the potential to become this year's star stocks, and I might be buying them if they break out. So I like to share with you those two lists. First list, my current holdings. FAS is a 3 times financial sector ETF. I have a large position in this ETF. This is a very strong breakout right here, and it's in a very good uptrend. ARM Holdings I bought as a breakout from here, from the base right here, and now it's pulling back a little bit, but I have a stop price in order. If it pull back to my purchasing price or somewhere close to the 20-day moving average, $52, I will get out. Auto Home, this is a Chinese stock ETF. They sell cars online. This is a very strong uptrend, and they have a strong earning. And this is IPO breakout the short base. I bought it right at the breakout. Now it's pulling back again. So I have a stop order right below my purchasing price. So if it go any lower, I will get stop out. Facebook, I bought it right at the breakout here. I bought it here and sold it near the top, and that's a good trade. And then as it made a new base again, I bought it again as a breakout right here. And right now it's pulling back. I have a stop order right below $53 at this range, which is a 30-day moving average. So if it will ever pull back again, I will get stopped out. Google, I bought it right on the gap up here, 980, below $1,000 per share. I bought it. Now it's still in the uptrend. It has showing no sign of breaking that trend. The trend is going up, so I'm gonna continue holding to this, and I have a stop order at the 30-day moving average, the blue line here, 1080, that area. Solar City, I bought it as a rebound around the 50-day moving average, this area, and it's going up. My stop order is below 50-day moving average. SoFang, this is a Chinese stock. Their real estate listing website, and they sell houses online. So this stock is in a very strong uptrend. My stop order is also close to the 30-day moving average. Wisdom Tree Investments, and this is a financial stock, a very strong uptrend and breakout here. I bought it right here. I bought it right at the breakout. And 30-day moving average is also my stop price. YY Inc. This is a Chinese social media network stock. I bought it on Friday, right at a breakout, below $57. That's where I bought it. 5% of my purchasing below my purchasing price. That's my stop. If it drop below, I will sell. Right now, this is a very strong breakout. Look at this volume. Okay, second list is my New Year's watch list. ACT making a base right now. It hasn't showing very well. It is breaking now right here. It's actually broke out on Thursday, but it closed below. So I didn't buy this. I'm watching it. I'm waiting for another accumulation sign. Align Technology, they make a transparent dental braces, and this stock is making a base right now. Auto Home, I shared with you. I bought this one. Bank of America, I missed the breakout on Thursday. This is a very strong breakout, and Friday a follow-up. The general financial sectors have many stocks are very strong right now. Bank of America, JP Morgan, and all these banks are doing very well. That's a good thing for the general market. I just use the FAS to long this whole sector. Chipotle Mexican Grill restaurant, fast food restaurant stock, very strong. It's being supported at a 50-day moving average. That's a good sign. 3D system, 3D stocks are doing very well and this new year. This is a sector I don't have any holdings right now, but I definitely would like to buy them if they will pull back. This is a sector showing a lot of accumulation at the beginning of the new year. This is a sector worth watching. It could be a star stocks of this year. DDD is one, and there's some other stocks as well. Position cast parts, aircraft parts. They're making aircraft engine parts, so very strong earning, and broke out right here, and right now it's in the uptrend. Spirit Airlines broke out, and this is also the airline stocks. Oh well, it's not really breaking out yet. It's making a flat base right now. Airline stocks are very strong, and they're able to increasing the airline ticket and making a lot of money out of travelers. So this sector, SAVE, this is one of the strong stocks. Solar City, at the beginning of the year, the solar stocks is another strong sectors, and that's been accumulated by the institution. So we need to pay attention to solar stocks. And solar power is SunPower. SunPower is another strong stocks, and break above 50-day moving average. That's a good sign. Stratasys, SSYS, another 3D stocks, very strong. Broke out right here, but there's no strong volume, so it's not a very good breakout, but the whole sector is very strong. Voxyjet, VJET, another 3D stocks, making a base here, accumulation sign by the institution. High volume, up, going up. Wisdom Tree, financial stock, break up right here, very strong. XLF is ETF. Strong sector. X1, EXONE, 3D stock, 3D printing stock, breakout right here, very strong. YY Inc. and Chinese Internet breakout here. This is also being accumulated by institution. Those are the strong stocks so far. There might be new strong stocks show up in the coming week, and for sure I will share with you for whatever I see. What to do in current market? Buy strong stocks and the proper buy point means within 5% of breakout pivotal point. Downward stock as soon as it shows weakness, and especially if it breaks down below 50-day moving average with a high volume, that's a trouble sign. And keep a close eye on strong stocks at the beginning of the year and get ready to buy them as soon as they break out from a base. Or if you miss the breakout, you can also consider buy them if they pull back to major moving average with low volume. The key is a volume. If the stock break major moving average with a high volume, that's a trouble sign. Institutions are selling them. You cannot buy them. However, if they pull back to major moving average with a low volume, you can still buy them. And they bounce off the to the upside from the major moving average with a high volume. That's very encouraging sign. And those stocks performing well at beginning of the year might be the star stock for the rest of the year. And use the bull ETF to position yourself, such as XLF, that's a financial sector ETF, or FAS, which is 3 times of financial sector ETF. That's all for this week. See you next week.